In this tutorial, I will teach you how to effectively navigate the Google Domains acquisition by Squarespace. Transitioning your domains effectively under the new ownership would require some steps, so let's begin. Let's start by extending your registration to protect yourself from price fluctuations that might arise owing to this migration. To achieve this, you will need to log into your Google Domains account, find your domain, and then click on the existing renewal date. Look out for an option that says Add Years. Here you can add up to 10 years to the registration of your domain. This extension would be possible at the prevailing Google Domains rate. Next, we'll have to get familiar with Squarespace. A good place to start is to log into Squarespace. Ensure you use the same email address with which you had registered on Google Domains. Once logged in, your domains will be conveniently displayed in the Squarespace Domains dashboard. The third step is connecting your domain to a Squarespace site. If you have a domain and a Squarespace site, this could be easily achieved. Simply visit your account dashboard, pick the website you would like to connect to, and then go over to the Settings tab. Choose the Domains and Email option and proceed to select the option which instructs to use a domain I own. For this option, you can enter the name of your domain. Suppose your chosen domain is meant for a different website. Well, Squarespace has that covered as well. You can manage the DNS records of a different website within the Squarespace dashboard. Squarespace allows you to point your domain to a different site or set up domain forwarding. This flexibility ensures you always have control over where your domain points to. Now, if you happen to have Google Workspace, you might be wondering how to manage it in the wake of the acquisition. Despite the change in ownership, accessing your email, calendar, and documents will still be done through Google. The billing for Google Workspace, however, will be managed through Squarespace, providing seamless integration between your domain and the suite of Google Workspace tools. So there you have it, a quick guide on how to navigate through the Google Domains acquisition by Squarespace. Remember, technology transitions like this can seem a bit overwhelming initially, but with the right guidance and a little bit of time, you will master it in no time.